Welcome to the channel, Excellence, where we strive for excellence. We strive to be one better than what we were yesterday. Now, we've been working on this bike, putting this motor on it. Now, let's see if it'll start up. Let's go. Go ahead.